up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got this 63 Impala up here. I'm gonna take you for a test drive, go to the car show. It's gonna be a fun night. Got it up here for $25,900. That's stock number 247. Let's go for a ride. All right, we're heading to the cruise in. Pretty sweet. Looks like our speedometer's working, our gas gauge is working, the tach's working. Only thing that's not working is the temperature gauge. Got our oil pressure. So this thing's pretty sweet. Steering straight. I mean, we're going down the road. As soon as you turn, it goes. Front end's nice. All right, we're almost made it down here to the car show. So far, I love this car. It runs and drives great. This thing bouncing off the dash. Put it up somewhere else. I think you will too. It don't have too many cosmetic flaws. It's a great driver. If you want it to get down, you can get on it. It'll go. But mainly, it's a good cruising car. I think it was an excellent choice for tonight. Taking out my honey. So everybody's cruising. Starting to see some cars. Here we go, guys. We're up here at the cruise in. It's the first time we've had it at this location. Maybe I'll let you go and get some of the cars. We'll cruise through there and try to park somewhere. Those chains not hurt your neck?
What is it?
You gonna be on film? Oh yeah, this is cool. Record all this. Appreciate you watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I post cars every single day. If you want more information on this car, give us a call, 615-822-4444. I got 100 detailed pictures I can send to you in an email address. That's maple-motors@aol.com. Just shoot me an email over. You can check our website out. We got all these classic cars on maplemotors.com. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.